Imagine this. You're in the middle of a stressful work deadline, your inbox is overflowing, and your phone won't stop buzzing. Your heart races, your mind spirals, and pressure mounts. But what if I told you that centuries ago, a group of thinkers mastered the art of remaining calm in the face of chaos? They were the Stoics, practitioners of a philosophy built for resilience. Stoicism, founded in ancient Greece and later embraced by Roman leaders like Marcus Aurelius, teaches that while we cannot control external events, we can control how we respond. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. This wisdom reminds us that inner peace is not about avoiding pressure, but mastering our reaction to it. One of the most powerful Stoic concepts is the dichotomy of control, dividing life into two categories. Things we can control, our thoughts, actions, and choices. Things we cannot control, the opinions of others, unexpected crises, or market fluctuations. By focusing only on what we can control, we free ourselves from unnecessary stress. Instead of worrying about an angry email, we shift our focus to crafting a thoughtful, measured response. The Stoics practice negative visualization, mentally preparing for challenges before they arise. Seneca, a famous Stoic, advised, "He robs present ills of their power, who has perceived their coming beforehand." Before an important meeting or high-stress event, ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? This practice doesn't encourage pessimism. Rather, it strengthens emotional resilience, helping you react with wisdom instead of panic when things go wrong. Epictetus taught that events themselves don't disturb us. Our interpretation of them does. Imagine two people stuck in traffic. One fumes with frustration, while the other sees it as an opportunity to listen to an audiobook. The same event, two different experiences. When you feel pressure building, ask yourself, what lesson can I learn from this? Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger, calmer, and more prepared for the future. Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher king, often wrote about the importance of pausing before reacting. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to do this is through deep breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This instantly shifts your nervous system from stress mode to calm mode. In moments of pressure, embrace stillness, step back, breathe, and remember, true strength lies in self-control. Pressure will always be a part of life, but how you respond to it is entirely within your control. Which Stoic practice resonates most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to cultivate more resilience and wisdom, subscribe for more timeless insights, one drop at a time.